Pig farming is profitable in Zambia because of strong market demand, low startup costs, high feed efficiency, and rapid reproduction. It is one of the fastest ways of a farmer to move from survival to financial independence. As we continue through this guide, you will learn the step-by-step strategies we use at Kabamba farms to raise healthy pigs, manage costs, and unlock the full potential of this powerful business opportunity. Now we're moving on to chapter 2, where we are talking about choosing the right pig breeds. So selecting the right pig breed is one of the most important steps in building a successful piggery. The breed you choose determines how fast your pigs grow, the type of meat they produce, and how well they meet the market demand. At Kabamba Farms, we believe in the power of pure breeding, focusing on one strong breed and mastering its genetics, growth, and performance. So, why breed selection matters? When a farmer chooses